Hey, hi. So as of now, I have completed with the prayer module and the home screen and some other modules too. Okay. So this will be our login page whenever user will come up, open the application first time. So this page will appear. Okay. And first they have to create an account, simple account. Okay. And then they can do a sign up. If you add or modify any parameters in the create account, we can do. Okay. So let me sign in with some existing account. Okay, this is the existing account. So this is the home screen which I have created. Okay, and I have created two Hadith card view. Okay, so just let me know which should I consider, like top one or below one. And this is the menu icons which I have added as per our modules. And in the bottom there are namaz timing as per today's. It will show the namaz timing for all the available namaz. Okay, and in the sidebar there is all available menus are there. Okay, if you want to access, they can also access from here. Okay, and if you click to prayer namaz timing module, okay, it will open the home is a particular namaz page where anyone can look into any particular date and namaz timing as per data available in the database. It will show the namaz prayers. Okay, timings. So here you can see as of now I have added for July and August, this 2 month. Okay, remaining we can add just for view demo purpose. I have added these two. Okay, and as per any date selection, it will also modify the day name in Urdu as well as in English. Okay, so suppose I want to view 17 August timing, so I just have to click view namaz. Then it will hit database, Firebase database, and load the namaz timing. So for the azan, I have just keep 5 minute or 10 minute before timing, and zamat timing is as per your given Excel sheet. I have put it all the zamat timing, and for azan I have keep 10 minute difference. Okay, you just have to provide the proper data set. Okay, then we can update azan and zamat time both. Okay, and prayer name. So this way we have added for user. Okay, and similarly if I go back, if you want to change app name or app color combination, like as of I have used green color. If you want to change app name, app icon, or color theme, we can do the changes. Okay, minimal changes, but as of the home screen will be fixed. Okay, this way will be the home screen. And for the admin panel, like commodity module, as of now I have just created a fixed account admin. Okay, and I can just simply do a login. As of now, I have just given the namaz timing option for the admin to update the namaz timing. Okay, suppose this is the day, like 15th August, and suppose I want to update, suppose community want to update further timing, further zamat timing and azan timing. As of now, you will be able to see a wrong azan timing and zamat timing because I have was working and doing the changes. That's why. So you can change. You just have to click the timing, and you can change any timing, and you have to click OK. And you can also change some other namaz timing as well, and you have to click save changes. Okay, and then it will automatically update. So next time whenever user or admin will fetch, so whatever data timing was updated, it will show that time. Okay, and similarly, suppose want to add some namaz. Suppose I want to, there is a day, like suppose let's consider 22. Okay, and in for the first you have to fetch the timing. Okay, for the 22 I want to add some namaz, like just let's suppose Idul Azha namaz. Okay, and I want to keep timing uh, 7 or something. Okay, AM. Similarly, zamat timing, let me keep as a 32. Okay, AM, and save. Okay, so it will successfully added. Okay, if I now again check the date, particular date timing, particular date namaz, so here you can see all the list of namazes are displayed, right? And I have added 727 it got display. Okay, similarly suppose I go to the user module. So in the user module, if I go to namaz timing and select the 22 namaz timing, so as you can see new namaz has added. Okay, so this way it has added. Similarly, suppose you are adding some new namaz, so it will also dynamically add here. Okay, based on the timing. Okay, so this way we have done as of now. Okay, do let me know if you want to change any icon or model name. application name. Okay, remaining will be the same. Okay, thank you.